Okay, the Camaro swap is done. Today I'm going to do a real quick cold start on all three of them, the Camaro, the Ford, and the C10. I need the room because today I plan on getting the engine that I took out of this Camaro into my brother's car. And then I'll do a more detailed video later. Cool thing about this car, this swap, is that it ended up being a E85 motor, which I didn't know, and I didn't know until I pretty much got rid of the truck, so I had to figure out what I had gotten rid of that I needed. And I'll go into that later on another video, but for right now I'm just going to do a cold start on all three of them. As you can see, I did clean up the harness a little bit, got rid of the stock fuse box, and there's a E85 sensor that I ended up having to order and figure out how it worked. Anyway, so far so good. It's working good. I do need to get these out of here. Like I said, I need this battery for my trailer so I could offload my brother's car. I got it already set up over there. So I'm just going to do a cold start on all three of them and get them out of here. And then later on, if I have a chance, clean up the motor because I haven't even got a chance to clean it up. And then I'll do a more detailed video, maybe a test drive or something. But I'm happy with it. It's running good. Let's see if it fires up right now. It doesn't make me look bad. Let's see. Cold start on these is not really that exciting. There's not really much to it. You just kind of let the computer pressurize the system. You heard the pump right there, and then you just... That's pretty much it. That's a cold start for that one. It's running good. I'm gonna close the hood because I gotta move it out of here. This one also has a 5.3 swap already. On this first one I did. Camaro's only my second one. And I did clean this one up a little better, the harness. I'll show you guys in another video. Let's see. This was also the same. You just kind of put it on. Let it pressurize. That's it. There's nothing to those. So this one over here is still carbureted. So it's a little bit more dramatic to fire it up and warm it up. You got to kind of stay in there and warm it up. But what I do, it does have an electric pump. Because the motor was OBS motor, those did have, they had a throttle body injectors. So when they put it in here and switch it over to carburetor, they put a electric pump. You can turn them on, the same thing, the pump's gonna turn on, it's gonna fill up the bowls in the carburetor, pump it a few times. And then when you go to start it, hold the accelerator about halfway and let's see if it works. It's been working every other time. And then you just kind of hold it for a minute, let it warm up, and then you can move it. I don't know if it'll stay running. It's running, but I wouldn't want to back it up yet. I'm going to back those out and then I'll come back to this one and I'll show you what I need to do. Get them taller in here. A little bit of a pain in the ass because I am by myself and it's kind of hard to get everything get it moved around. Let me show you the Impala real quick. Then we'll go from there. Here it is. So hopefully we get this thing back on the road. The plan today is to get this engine out of here, get the other engine inside it, at least there, and that way I can push it into the garage and you know, do little by little. I don't like having it. I had it on the trailer, but I had taken off the tires off the trailer and everything because, like I said, it's my brother's car, and I'd hate for somebody to take it. Not that they're waiting to take it, but you know, better take precaution than not. Anyways, hopefully we'll get this thing back on the road and be cruising soon. Hopefully, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But for now, I'm gonna get all these cars out of here. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. See a shot of my shop. It's a mess right now. But anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. It's about, let's see what time it is right now. It's 7:20. 7:20, and we'll see what happens. I don't want to be out here more than 12 o'clock. All right. Thanks again.